Stalking cases across India rose from 8,512 in 2020 to 10,116 in 2022. Of the 1,404 murder cases across Karnataka in 2022, 44 were motivated by love affair. Over the last few months, several cases of inter-religious murders have come to light, but the BJP continues to focus on Neha's murder.
In Karnataka, all over Karnataka, it is spread now. Neha, Muslim boy killed a Hindu girl. And in Bangalore, Muslim Hindu boy killed a Muslim girl. They are not taking any action. Politics are not going there. They are to home. How they are treating for her, they are not treating for him like that.
First of all, the reason behind that murder is unknown. So I think they are twisting it for their own benefits.
Nobody cares about the girl, about her life. The day she died, we were sent WhatsApp groups to join for justice and all. But now, yesterday only I have exited from the group because they made it completely political about it, and I didn't see any sympathy for her, and they don't what can I say? Andre justice, they don't need it. They just obviously they are making it a political issue, and besides she is having a political background, so it's adding more to that.
I think it's totally wrong. It's like insulting Neha. I mean, you have to fight. Being a politician, it's your responsibility to fight for justice, right? And to stand up for injustice. You don't have to get personal and get selfish and ask for votes. Like, I'll fight for it only if you vote me. I mean, that's totally selfish. That's what I think.
So I don't think it's pretty pointless to bring love jihad. I think it becomes a dirty political game. I don't think it's necessary to bring in love jihad because it is a crime done against a woman, and regardless of her religion, she is dead now. We lost a life, and I think the more important matter is to focus not the religion. I think the religion should not be the focus. The focus should be an innocent life was lost. How did we as a society fail so much?
I don't think religion should come into this because it's a man and a woman, and it's the violence to a woman which is very bad. So it is the gender which matters more and the issue which is mattered more. I don't think anything else should come into the perspective when the issue is so serious, right?